CVE-2023-46747 is a critical authentication bypass vulnerability that has been discovered in F5's big IP systems. It has been assigned a CVSS score of 9.8, which indicates its severe impact. If your organization is using F5 big IP systems and you have exposed the Traffic Management User Interface, or TMUI, then you could be at risk. Immediate action is strongly recommended. As of the latest information, there's no evidence to suggest that this vulnerability has been exploited. However, given its critical nature and the history of past vulnerabilities in big IP systems, the risk of potential exploitation is high. F5 has released security patches to address this vulnerability. Organizations are strongly advised to apply these patches as soon as possible. If immediate patching is not feasible, F5 has also provided some mitigation guidance. Please note that the mitigation script provided by F5 should not be used on big IP versions prior to 14.1.0. Also, if your system uses the FIPS 140-2 compliant mode license, the mitigation script is not compatible.